The challenge of water in space.
Water is essential for life, but it's heavy and expensive to launch into space. Future astronauts won't be able to bring enough from Earth. Instead, they will need to find new ways to get and reuse water for drinking, cooking, and cleaning while living on other worlds like the Moon or Mars.
Recycling every drop.
On the International Space Station, nearly all water is recycled. Sweat, breath, and even urine are purified into clean water. Advanced filtration systems remove contaminants, making this vital resource safe to drink. Future habitats on other planets will rely even more on recycling to maximize every drop.
Searching for water beyond Earth.
Scientists are exploring how to harvest water on the Moon and Mars. Lunar poles have ice hidden in shadowed craters, and Mars contains frozen water below its surface. Astronauts could mine and melt this ice, turning it into liquid water for survival and daily use.
Using water for cooking and cleaning.
Water isn't just for drinking, cooking, and personal hygiene need it too. Space habitats will likely use carefully measured rations and specialized appliances like moisture-controlled ovens and no-rinse wipes. Creative solutions help conserve water while supporting comfort and health far from home.
Innovations shaping our off-world future.
Researchers are constantly inventing new methods for managing water in space. These include efficient recovery systems, solar-powered ice processors, and compact purification units. As these technologies evolve, they will help astronauts thrive on other worlds and may even improve water systems here on Earth.